Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.